Welcome everybody, Roy here from Yago Yoga. And here we are on day 16 of the 30-day breath awareness challenge. So let's just do a quick check-in with yesterday. So yesterday I was getting you to focus on the inhale. And as you inhale, you feel that beautiful spaciousness, and there's a lightness that comes through because there's a rising sensation. And that rising sensation, remember on the exhale was an effortlessness. So when you feel that effortlessness come through on your inhale, it feels like a lightness. And there's a beautiful lightness in it, and then it's a flowing lightness. And as you reach that beautiful peaceful completion at the fullness of your inhale, when you come into the pause, you just feel like there's a beautiful lightness and a spaciousness, and you get a little bit of a glow in it. So how did you get on with that? And again, any questions, pop them in comments and we'll tease it out. Today's challenge is going to be very interesting. And I'll tell you what it is, and then I'll tell you why. What it is that I'm going to get you to focus on breathing from pause to pause. I want you to just focus on breathing the pauses today. And the reason being is the more you tap into your breath and the more you tap into your energetics, your life force, is when you breathe from pause to pause, it's like it creates an energetic charge. Very similar to in regular yoga practice, you'll hear people talk about the root and the rise. You root down to lift up. And really what we're working on there is yielding, is you're rooting into the earth and gravity. And there's a rebound effect that gives you a lift up. So when you're rooting and rising, you're creating that yield in your body. You come into the full extension, full yield of your body. When you breathe from pause to pause, you're activating that same line of force. So at a physical level, you'd have this line of force from your hand all the way through to your navel and then to your spine. So when you resist with alignment, is you get this beautiful tone that connects all the way to your core and it sends a tone all the way up and down your spine. So you have 5 lines of force. Your 2 arms, your 2 legs, and then your spine itself. So when you're breathing the pause is you're breathing your central channel, is you're beginning to connect into that lovely inner frequency. And there's a charge in it, like there's an activation in it. Your awareness will heighten, your energy will heighten, and you begin to feel it more and more in your central nervous system. You feel it more and more in your body. It's like a charge comes in. Everything just starts to radiate a bit more, yeah? So that's what you're gonna do. So very simply is I want your awareness to be, as you come to effortlessly to the pause at the end of the exhale, is just feel your awareness heighten and the energetic charge in you increase. When you inhale, again, let yourself flow in that beautiful lightness. You're moving through your channel, and when you inhale and you find yourself at the peak of the pause, at the peak of the inhale, again, there's going to be beautiful heightened awareness and there'll be beautiful lightness in it. But now focus on just breathing from pause to pause. Pause, rest in it for a couple of moments. Pause, rest in it for a couple of moments, and get that sense of breathing from pause to pause. And what happens is that it activates your channel more, it activates the energy more. You'll get a much greater sense, your awareness will heighten, and again, you'll start to feel that energy come through your body more. So that's the challenge for today, is just focusing on connecting the pauses in your awareness. So you're breathing from pause to pause. And this is going to set up a deeper experience where all the things we've been practicing over the last few days, we're going to now layer them into that pause to pause. But for today, that's your challenge. I want you to focus on breathing pause to pause. And again, 10 times a day is good, 20 times a day is great, 30 times a day is amazing. It's super. And again, any questions, pop them down below in comments. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Is the more we get on our community, the better. We get that whole engagement going. And you can see that the practices we're taking you through, it really is that refined quality of practice that we're engaging in on this channel. We're looking for the people who are doing their self-practice and who are looking to develop more. We're also looking for the people who want to get into a self-practice and how to establish that and how to tease it out and find a nice rhythm to that in their everyday life. So please subscribe. And then again, click the notification for all our up and coming videos. And other than that, remember, if you do all 30 days, send me an email and we'll do a one-to-one on Zoom. But for now, have a great day. Thank you.